Alright, so here's my first beekeeping video in a little while. Since the tornado happened, and we've just been trying to get everything situated. Bees kind of went to the wayside, lost a couple hives. So I've got some bees ordered. So this is the queen that comes with the package. When you open the package, there's a can in here. The queen sits in these little slots here, one queen. Take her out first. You do not want to shake the queen. You take the can out slowly. So the can will be here. Kind of jimmy it out very slowly. And then you have to open up these sides. So there's two tabs on this side. You put your hive tool in there, kind of pry it open. And then you just do a tap. It shoves them all to the bottom. Kind of think about bees as a liquid at this point. And then you just kind of dump them in. And here's your result. You can keep the cage close by, but as long as the bees are out of it, that's okay. You don't need to have them. You don't need to have it sitting there because it might still smell like the queen and they might go there. Another thing you have to look at while you are installing your packages. This is the package installation. Luckily I have comb with, or frames with comb on it. So that's 10 steps ahead of everybody else with packages at this point. That might be a virgin queen right there. See her? No, never mind. She doesn't have the ball back, but man, she's got a big abdomen. When they do the packages, they just take 2 boxes and dump all the bees in. So the queen might be in there. You might have 2 queens, one caged, one not. So how you can kind of tell if they're accepting her, you see the queen cage here. You just take your glove and very gently, see how this one is sticking? This one is not happy with her, see? She's biting the cage. So they're not ready for her yet, but what we're going to do, we're going to keep the cage in here. One side has this candy, this white candy. They both have stoppers. One side's a direct release, so no candy in the way. This side is candy. So what they should do is they should take a few days to eat through the candy and release her. By that time, her pheromones will spread through the whole hive and acquaint them with her. And hopefully that's what happens. If you have a reputable bee company, they will replace the queen if something happens to her. You know, they kill her accidentally, or within a certain time frame. I got these from Bee Supply. It used to be Texas Bee Supply, but now it's The Bee Supply since I think they're expanding. That's it. Basically, you come back here in a few days, make sure they're good to go. Give them some food. I might just take the can and empty it into the drawn comb so they have some food. And that will be it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, ring bells. Really does help me out. Any questions, I will answer them. Thanks again.